Transient Holdings. That's right, Transient Holdings, not transition. I won't blame you if you went blank hearing that. That's the name of the Chinese smartphone maker who, like BBK Electronics, has multiple brands in the market. ITIL, Techno, Spice, which they bought in India, and Infinix. Today we will be unboxing a new phone from Infinix which is aimed at selfie lovers. The Infinix Hot S3. Coming up next on TechPP.com. Hey guys, Raju here from TechPP and this is the brand new Infinix Hot S3. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified every time we upload a new video. And now, let's get started with the unboxing. Infinix has chosen this unique green color package and a rather dull one at that. The tagline for the phone is 20 megapixel low light selfie. So yeah, we know who their target audience is, and that's a good thing. Interestingly, it mentions S3 on all the three sides, while Hot is mentioned only on the back. The box price mentioned is Rs 9,999. We do expect it to be priced a bit more aggressively in the market. And for those, for some reason, worry a lot about the SAR values, here are the ratings. Let's get the knife out now. So here is the box. Let's get the wrappers out. So here we have the phone itself, in case you were still not sure who this is aimed at. Again, they are showing that it's for the selfie lovers. So let's keep the phone aside and have a look at the box contents. So we have some quick start guide, the service guide, and interestingly a screen guard which is packed with the box. And then we have a free TPU case. This looks like a silicone case but not transparent. It has a grayish black hue to that. So let's keep that aside and look at the charger. So the charger output is 5 volts 2 amperes. So that's not fast charging, but that's still okay. And we have a tangle free USB cable for charging as well as data transfer. So that's it for the box. Let's keep everything aside and have a look at the phone itself. Grab this thing, take it out. We have something at the back as well with instructions on the power button, volumes, and everything else. Oh my god, so many stickers. I just want to peel them off. So we have the black version of the phone. It looks really good. This is not smudge or fingerprint magnet at all in terms of the back at least. And we have the camera over here with dual LED flash, camera on the front with dual LED flash. Let's try to power this on, and a fingerprint scanner right at the back with Infinix logo below that, and Hot S mentioned over here at the very bottom of the phone. It comes with a 5.7-inch HD plus 18:9 Infinity display and is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 processor, which is slightly disappointing. That's paired with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage with a dedicated microSD slot for expandable storage. There is a huge 4000 mAh battery inside, which is charged through a micro USB slot on the bottom. And it runs on the latest Android 8.0 Oreo with Infinix own XOS on top. The primary highlight of the phone is the camera setup. A single 13 megapixel on the rear with dual LED flash and 20 megapixel on the front, again with dual LED flash. So you get a fingerprint scanner as well. Interestingly, Infinix is promising a free upgrade to Android P. That's a reasonable promise and great to see on a budget smartphone. So yeah, a lot of good things on paper, but of course what matters is how well they translate into the actual performance. Be sure to check back in a week's time for an in-depth review of the device. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified as soon as the review goes live. I hope you found this video useful. If there is anything you want us to talk about specifically in our review of the Infinix Hot S3, do let us know in the comment section below and we'll do our best to answer that in our next video. Until then, may the tech be with you.